on one?
Yep.
He's on one and it sounds good. Here, I'll call you back. Alright. Feel pretty good, bud?
Oh yeah, big
Sounds
fish.
fucking good. Blue?
Yeah. That's my guess. Or, I don't know, he kind of hit like a flathead.
He swam like right to the fucking surface though.
Yeah, I mean,
How deep you fishing right there?
not very deep.
Yeah, I saw that fucker double over here. Dude, yeah, he sounded fucking pretty healthy.
He's going up river towards you.
You want me to shine my light?
Yeah.
Oh, he's right here.
I'm guessing it's a flathead.
It's got, the way it's got that rod bent over, it kind of looks like it's...
Yeah, I don't have my headlamp.
It's dead weight.
Yeah. He's not fighting anymore.
Fuck, hopefully we're getting you on your fucking...
I think it's blue.
Looks like he's got some size to him.
Yeah, it's good fish. He's heavy. At least 40. I can tell you that right now.
Fuck yeah, bud.
Oh my god.
That's gotta be blue.
No, I think it's flat. That looks yellow. Another big flathead.
Fuck yeah, dude. Hopefully we just got you your personal best, Flatty.
More than likely, but the worst part is I can't get out of a kayak over here.
Oh, are you in water right there?
Yeah. Yeah,
Oh,
big.
that's a Flatty, dude.
Big.
That's a
No.
nice Flatty. That's a beast.
That's a blue.
Is it a blue?
It's a blue. I'm telling you. It's like a 50-pound blue. Yep.
Oh yeah, that is a blue.
Big blue.
Fuck yeah, bud.
Dude, he's all wrapped up. What are you
Come
doing?
help you, but
Oh my god, dude, he is all beat up from spawning.
he just rolled. It's definitely a fish he's that wrapped up in your line. He started rolling on you. Fuck yeah, bud.
Yeah, it's about a 50-pound blue.
Yeah, if you want to fucking.
Oh, you're gonna have to come down here in a minute.
Can I walk over there?
No, dude, it's pretty deep.
I don't have any lines out, so that's fine. I can get.
You haven't put a line out?
No, dude, my buddy called me.
Dude, this thing.
Here, I'm coming over to you, bud.
Oh my god. Don't come down yet. Let me get him in the kayak.
Okay.
I think you can come down. Then, because I got an anchor cleft on this side that's free.
Okay.
Yeah, it's about 60.
Tie up to you?
It's about 60-pound blue.
Fuck yeah, bud.
But dude, it's ugly as all hell.
Beat to shit, huh?
Beat to shit. Just got done spawning.
Fuck yeah, bud. We both got on some nice fish tonight. Fuck, that could have been 2 for you, bud.
I know. I'm getting pretty good at this.
Fuck, I'd say.
I might have to go pro.
Fuck, dude.
Pro at the wallet sponsorship.
Fuck yeah, man. Hell yeah, dude. We got so many hours left to fish.
I know. This is the same spot. I got that 76.
Fuck, you just rip and drag out, huh?
Yeah, this is on those new bait casters I just bought. Alright, I gotta get a headlamp on. Where the fuck is my headlamp? Oh, it's on my head.
I was gonna say, dude, I think you should be on your head.
Normally I take it off because it's bad luck to leave it on. This is on goldfish. This is on a little hook too.
Oh yeah, dude. That fucker ain't tiring out, is he?
No, he keeps spinning in his line.
Fuck, there's some big fish in here. Oh yeah, that thing's a monster, dude.
He's so ugly. Oh, don't go under the kayak.
Swam through your kayak.
Shows you how much water is
Now
there.
he's coming up towards me.
Now he's coming back down.
Yeah, he's all over the fucking place.
Yeah, these big. I bet he goes 65. I don't know, dude. He's just so ugly. Maybe not. He might be bigger, but he is the ugliest fish I have ever caught in my life. I am not lying. Dude, this looks like a pay lake fish.
No shit, that bad, huh?
Yeah, dude, he is.
Fuck, who's a fucking melon on that thing? That big old thick mouth.
Oh!
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, come on.
Oh yeah. Fuck yeah, bud. I bet she's close to 60.
Okay. Come here, little guy.
Fuck yeah. Damn, that fucker is beat to shit. I can see that from here.
Oh.
The motherfucking guys. I like all this slack water right here, though.
Yeah. Woo!
We're fucking killing it right now, bud.
Oh my god, he's so ugly.
Killing the game.